Wait. Hello YouTube. So we are making My Cat and Me Part 6 with another new cat. Anyway, take this off first. No. Show it. No, show it with it real quick. No. Okay, right. You're my little
Here's
Sparta. My little girl Sparta. My little girl Sparta. My little girl Sparta.
Hey,
get out of the way.
I'm blocking the food.
My little girl Sparta. My little girl Sparta. Okay, now put the costume on.
Okay.
This is so fun.
Look at Sparta. I want to make
This is what I did.
Well, I want to. Okay, I might need like a tank top or something under this.
You're gonna have to be quiet because I'm gonna upload this to YouTube.
I know. I'm just trying something.
We're gonna make your mark video. Woohoo! Yeah.
Later.
Yeah. Super kitty. Whee! No, don't do it that far. Hey, well,
Stupid. It's cute.
I guess that's the end of My Cat and Me Part 6
Bye-bye, people.
with friends.
Okay, why?
I will haunt you.
Hey,
I
you
got
don't
you.
have to wear this.
Hey.